So we need to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x whenever x and y are given in their parametric form. That means x and y both depends on the parameter t. So let's begin. So we'll start with our function x, which is given by 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. So the first step would be to take the derivative of x with respect to t, which means we have to take derivative with respect to t of 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. So let's take the derivative. So here we will use the quotient rule. For that we'll have our denominator, which is given by 1 plus t squared whole square. In the numerator we'll start with 1 plus t squared and multiply it to derivative with respect to t of 1 minus t squared. Minus, we have 1 minus t squared, so this will get multiplied to derivative with respect to t of 1 plus t squared. Whole thing divided by 1 plus t squared multiplied to the derivative of 1 with respect to t, that will be 0, minus derivative of t squared will be negative 2t. Minus, we have 1 minus t squared multiplied to derivative of 1 with respect to t will be 0, plus derivative of t squared will be 2t. This will be now divided with 1 plus t squared whole squared. Right. Let's further simplify the numerator. So here in the numerator we now have negative 2t multiplied to 1, so that will be negative 2t. Minus negative 2t times t squared will be 2t cubed. Minus, we have 1 times 2t, so that's positive negative 2t, and we have negative of negative t squared minus times 2t will be positive 2t cubed whole divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So here negative 2t cubed and positive 2t cubed will get factored out, get cancelled out, and this leaves us with negative 4t divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So this is the value of derivative of x with respect to t. We're going to label this as number 1. The next, what we'll do, we'll begin with our function y, which is given by 2t over 1 plus t squared. So let's write it down. So we have y equals to 2t divided by 1 plus t squared. So we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to t. So on the right hand side, we'll apply the quotient rule. So here we have 1 plus t squared. So in the numerator, we have 1 plus t squared multiplied to derivative of the numerator, which is 2, minus 2t times derivative of the denominator, that will be 2t. This will give us 2 plus 2t squared minus 2t, that will be 4t squared whole divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. I missed the whole squared here. So this finally gives us 2 multiplied to 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. So this is going to be the value of derivative of y with respect to t. We're going to label this as number 2. To find out derivative of y with respect to x, all we have to do is divide derivative of y with respect to t with derivative of x with respect to t. So derivative of y with respect to t, that's given by 2 multiplied to 1 minus t squared whole thing divided by 1 plus t squared whole squared. And we need to divide it with derivative of x with respect to t, which is number equation number 1. That's the same as multiplying it with the reciprocal, which will be 1 plus t squared whole squared divided by 4t. We'll keep the negative 4t here. So this gets cancelled out, and this leaves us with 1 minus t squared divided by negative 2t. So here we have obtained the value of derivative of y with respect to x, which will be equals to, so we multiply both numerator and denominator with negative 1, so this gives us t squared minus 1 divided by 2t. So this is going to be the value of derivative of y with respect to x, and we are obtaining the value in its parametric form.